And welcome in, everybody. Glad you're with us. The show has AAA baseball for you. It's the Rochester Red Wings taking on the Scranton Wilkes-Barre Rail Riders. And we'll be back with the first pitch right after this. Just about set to go. And towing the slab in this one, Catfish Brown. Safe to say he's pretty stingy, Chris.
Well, he got into the 8th inning his last time out, really pitching deep into games as of late. We'll see today how many innings he's got in him.
Ready to go now? Now it's the shortstop, number 6. And the pitch. That one finds the zone. And that's how this game gets started. And that's just foul. 0-2 now. And now 1-2. And that one missing low. Cuts and misses. It's a strikeout.
Oh, there's a small sigh of relief right there. I mean, just to keep that speed off the base paths. It's not just the pitcher. It's other guys that have to think about it. From your infielders have to think about that runner potentially stealing, but also be in position to make a play. As an outfielder, you're thinking about a base hit to the outfield. I got to get to it quickly to try to keep this guy from taking an extra base. So I think everyone just a little more relaxed that he didn't reach base.
That clips the zone, and the count 1-1. That one drifts inside.
Looks like he was trying to get to the front door with that curveball. It's definitely a finesse pitch, but it backed up a little bit on him and stayed inside.
Check swing, no appeal.
Hey, plays it first. Plays it first.
Swing and a miss, and it's a full count now. And there's ball 4.
Man, that's a tough one to take on the full count, but I guess he saw it really well. It's a really nice plate appearance.
And here is Ildemaro Vargas. The other way. Sliding try, but it gets down. Should be extra bases. Green around third. The throw in. And he's in safely at third. A run comes in on the play.
Takes an inside pitch and just fillets it over there to left field. And that's all he had to do is get something to the outfield grass to push that run across.
Runner at third with one gone. James Wood digs in now. And the first pitch misses for ball 1.
Hey, one down right now.
That's in there. And the righty deals. In the air, left side.
I got it.
Calhoun right there to make the grab. Runner tags from third. The throw's offline. He's safe. And they take a 2-run lead.
There you go. Nice little RBI there. It's a great at bat. Got the job done.
Number 45 in the box here. Lets that one go for a ball.
He's given up a couple of runs, but the pitch count really not as high as you would think. Might be able to get through this one under 25 pitches.
Next offering is fouled back.
Instead of letting the hitter get his arms extended, tied him up a little bit, slightly up, slightly in.
That one ripped. Could be extra bases. Around first and hustling for second. And he'll pull in there with a stand-up double.
Well, that'll make you feel good as a hitter right there. Solid swing from start to end. On time with everything. Really good balance. Nice extension. And he met it out front for the line drive knock.
Blake Rutherford at the plate now. That's ball 1.
Hey, now we got 2.
And another ball.
No, that pitch not even close. A 2-0 count now. He can't be over aggressive. He's got to make sure that pitch is right on a tee for him.
2 outs. And now it's even up. First inning going a bit long. 23 pitches to this point. Swings and misses. Struck him out. But 2 runs for him and they jump ahead. On to the bottom of the first. The Red Wings out front 2-0. New inning getting started. Now it's the second baseman, Travis Blankenhorn. Brown back to work. This one lifted in the air, left field. Calhoun under it. Brings it in. 1 up, 1 down.
Batting 8, the left fielder.
Donovan Casey getting ready to hit. First pitch doesn't find the zone. And there's a ball.
He's been raking in recent games, and a big reason why, getting ahead in counts. He's been able to do that consistently, and you see the results.
That one missed. Now 3-0. And now 3-1.
Clearly taking all the way there in that 3-0 count. It was a cookie right down the middle.
Puts it in the air out towards left center. Calhoun pulls it in on the run.
Every day during batting practice, these outfielders get about 10 minutes of balls in the gaps. They practice this, and when the game comes, they make the play perfectly.
Drew Millis in the box with 2 gone, and takes a look at a called strike. Swings and misses. That's strike 2.
This guy's not wasting any pitches. Hitters got to get into swing mode. This is a good time to expand the zone. Throw something maybe down in the dirt.
That one misses. Now 1-2. Out towards right center field. McKinney under it. Makes the grab, and that's the inning. So they make short work of him there. We go to the bottom of inning number 2. Back here at the ballpark, all set for the start of the inning. And now the shortstop, number 6. The wind of the pitch. And ball 1.
Ball 1, no strike.
Hey, we got nobody, no one down here.
And a pitch. So a foul ball makes it 1-2. Righty to the plate. Popped up. Defoe settles under it. Makes the grab. And there's 1 down.
Bill, that was a pitch you got to crush. Unbelievable that he missed it right there. And I'm telling you, he is going to be frustrated with himself until his next at bat.
Green batting for the second time, and that's strike 1. That's in there, and the count is 0-2.
0-2 is the count.
This one popped up. Foul ground, first base side. Chaparro puts it away for the out. 2 down.
Ball's just not carrying the first tonight.
Now, you would actually say that to your teammate in the dugout?
No, I'm not that cruel, but someone would say it to me, and I'm sure it's probably been said before.
Vargas stands in now and watches strike 1.
Hey, come on now. Here we go.
That one fouled off. Line drive, base hit. James Wood, the next to hit. Drove in a run with a sac fly his first time up. That clips the corner. Wood goes 6 feet 7 inches, 240 pounds, and he's driven in double-digit runs over his last 10 games. And that one wrapped foul. The 0-2. Out there to center. Jones drifts towards it, makes the grab, and that'll end the inning. Welcome back. Start of the fourth, and now the first baseman, number 45.
Frankie Tosado.
And the right-hander back to work. And there's the strike.
Here you go, guys. Let's go.
That clips the corner.
Wow, just a beautiful backdoor slider right there. If you've got any chance of hitting that pitch, you have to wait until the absolutely last millisecond. Just a tough pitch to hit, and not an easy one to throw either.
And the 0-2. That one
Oh, that's off
missed.
the plate.
Fouls it off. Still 1-2. The pitch. That's out to center field.
I got it.
Jones makes the grab. One down. Here's Blake Rutherford. He struck out swinging at his first at bat. That catches the zone for a strike, and it's 0-1.
Here we go.
At the
That's
ball.
a little bit low.
One down.
The 1-2. Got him. And he's down on strikes for the second time today.
Now, this pitching staff has been merciless against him in this one. I mean, he struck out 6 times in this series, and we've seen no adjustment out of him so far.
In the air to left center. Calhoun sizes this one up. He's there. He's got it. And that's the third out. So they go quietly there. On now to the bottom of the fourth. And welcome back. Ready now for the fifth inning. Here's the left fielder, Donovan Casey.
Get ahead right here.
Casey.
Well, you got to give him credit out there on the mound. This outing started off a little shaky, but he's found a way to settle in and turn this into a pretty good start. Kind of shows you a lot about his mental makeup as a pitcher.
The 1-0. Now 1-1.
Man, this guy's got a great feel for his breaking ball today.
In the air, center field. Nice grab on the run. And there's one down.
Now batting. Catfish.
Drew Millis will hit next. He's 0 for 1. Swings through that one. 0-1.
We got one here. We got one.
And a swing and a miss
No
there.
ball, 2 strikes.
Swing and a ball popped up. 2 down.
Now batting. Number 6.
And the batter will be the shortstop, number 6. First offering, and it just misses.
Come on, guys.
He swings and fouls one off. The wide to kick the pitch. Swing and a miss. And the count 1-2.
So far, all we've seen in this at bat are fastballs. Look for him to slow it down right here ahead in the count.
And that one is lifted in the air. That gets down for a hit.
Still able to come through behind in the count right there. When you pop a ball up like that, you don't expect it to get you a knock too often.
He's got it, and that'll end the inning. One hit, one left. Home half of the fifth coming up. The Red Wings have the advantage 2-0. Back here at the ballpark, and now it's switch hitting third baseman Ildemaro Vargas. Brown back to work. Popped in the air, left side, and a foul ball.
On the mound, he had a little trouble back in the first, but it's been a different story the rest of the way. Really settled into this outing nicely.
And that one hammered. McKinney going back on this one, and it hits the fence. It's a double. Third hit of the night for him.
Having a really nice game here. That's his second extra base hit. He absolutely ripped that ball out front and almost got it out of here, man. Just a really strong, balanced swing.
They turn things over to the southpaw, Anthony Misevich.
He's certainly been one of their better relief pitchers this season. The numbers are really solid, so they feel great about handing the ball over. Well, this was a tightly played game. Got a little of everything. Some timely hitting, runs on the board, key pitching and defense in certain spots. Definitely a fun one to watch.
3-2 the final score for Chris Singleton. Hello, baseball fans, and welcome. AAA Baseball on MLB The Show. It's the Rochester Red Wings taking on the Scranton Wilkes-Barre Rail Riders. So almost ready to get underway. And on the hill here today, Matt Sauer. What do you got on him, Chris?
Well, it hasn't been a great year so far in terms of ERA, but he's had some decent games, and there have been some flashes of greatness, if you will. We'll see today if he's able to get ahead of hitters and perhaps get some swings in mid.
He's under it at short, puts the squeeze on it, and that'll do it for the inning. So here's Brown at the plate. He popped out his first time.
Hey, get you a good one up there, huh?
Wow.
Swings and misses. Strike one. And a base hit into right.
Throw that one out, boy.
Now it's Franchi Cordero, and he's already singled in this game. Brown off of first with two away.
Come on now.
And he walked him.
Definitely lost the handle during that sequence. 4 pitches for the walk, and that last one didn't even threaten the zone. Catcher might want to go talk to him.
Stepping in, Tyler Hardman. 1 for 1 with a single so far.
Hey, get your pitch, stay through it. Let's go, drive it.
And that's ball 4.
Well, interesting. He went with the off speed and walked the hitter. Man, you got to challenge the guy with the fastball.
Here's Billy McKinney at the plate.
It's been such a good hitter with runners in scoring position. Some guys just take it to another level. For him right now at the plate, it's like everyone else is in slow motion and he's in full speed.
And a swing and a miss. Huge strikeout there.
Tough spot, had to make a great pitch, did it, got the strikeout, gets out of the jam. Clearly, he's happy with those results.
No outs, runner at first. Catfish Brown now at the plate, 1 for 2.
Oh, big guy. You drive it right here.
Swings through that one.
Threw that fastball right by him, slightly elevated. That's a confidence boost for this guy out there on the mound. See if he continues to climb the ladder.
The 0-1. That one down the line. They get one. Puts the tag on him, and it's a double play. 2 on, 1 out. Next is the designated hitter, Catfish Brown. 1 for 3.
One pitch. Here we go. Let's go.
At the dish, looking to lift the ball in the air in this spot. Anything but the inning double play, Boog.
Hey, get your pitch and drive it, huh? Lasers all day.
In the dirt, but kept close. Well done behind the dish. The tying run at the plate. In the dirt, blocked. Runners hold tight. It's a ball and 2 strikes.
Here you go. See it up. Let it fly.
The 1-2. Swing and a miss. Struck him out. Had him out front for strike 3.
33. Cordero.
So now here's the DH, Catfish Brown, a switch hitter batting right.
Hey, keep it going. Watch out for it.
Way inside, gets out of the way. Doolittle, multi-time All-Star, 36 years old, a former first-round pick back in 2007. Kicks and fires. In the air, right field. And in one hops the wall. Defoe coming home. Blankenhorn with a relay throw. In there. He scores. And it's now a 2-run game.
Couldn't have timed it up any better than that. Loud contact leads to the double. I mean, you could tell it had extra bases written all over it as it jumped off of his stick.
And next will be the cleanup hitter, Franchi Cordero. Brown leads off second with nobody out. Got him! Down on strikes, and he knew it.
Oh, nice job right there. He struck him out twice. The pitch before looked like it was strike 3. Doesn't get the call. Bears down. Throws another quality pitch for the strikeout.
1 out. Runner at second. Here's the third baseman, Tyler Hardman. 2-2. On the ground to short. Fires across the diamond, and they're down to their last out.
Now batting, the right fielder.
Billy McKinney digs in now.
A little surprised we don't see a pinch hitter here with the lefty-lefty matchup.
Come on, big dog. We need you.
And now the lefty in the air on the infield. Ball game.
Well, not all saves come easy, but he didn't let things unravel. Good win for the boys today.
A 5-3 final score in this one. For Chris Singleton and our entire crew here at MLB The Show, thanks for stopping by. I'm John Shambi. Talk to you soon.
That was our final line score.
Hello and welcome. Thanks for joining us. AAA action coming at you on the show. It's the Syracuse Mets taking on the Scranton Wilkes-Barre Rail Riders. First pitch coming your way next. Just about ready to go. Starting on the mound in this one, Luis Severino. What do you have on him, Siggy?
Yeah, Boog, he went deep into the game last time, only allowed 1 run, but he took a tough loss. You got to bounce back from those quickly and know that today's a new day. You can get that W.
Catfish Brown in the box now. No balls and a strike.
There it was. 0-0. Here it is. Hit it. He gets a take. Gets ahead in the count.
This one in the air right field. Dominguez ranging back. He's got it. And that is out number 3. First frame of the night behind us. And it's 0-0. Number 18 getting ready to hit.
The third baseman, Jacob Reiner.
Hit weakly on the ground towards second. Brown to first. Out number 3. Nothing doing for the offense that time. Now to the bottom of the second. We're tied 0-0. Man at first. Now here is Nick Meyer. It's interesting, he plays kind of a power spot defensively, but runs pretty well. So when you're looking at that position, you're not expecting someone that has maybe above average speed, but he does. Grounded to third, could be 2. The throw is wild and it gets away. Lead runner around second. And they won't get him, and he goes first to third on the error. So the lineup flips over, and stepping in is the speedy Jet Williams. Flied out his first time. Ritter at third. Meyer on at first with nobody out. Rolled to short, possible 2 ball. To second, that's 1. And a run scores on the double play.
First and third, nobody out. You're thinking you've got it lined up for a pretty big inning right here. So that double play is pretty deflating. They get the run in, but now they're starting all over.
So here's Brown at the plate. 0 for 1. He flied out to right this first trip. Ripped to third and caught.
Now batting, the designated hitter, Franchi.
And now it's the switch hitting second baseman, Catfish Brown.
Catfish.
Brown, only 18 years old, and he was a 3rd round pick in 2023. And he swings and misses at the initial offering.
Just a bit tardy there. Not sure if he had a hard time picking it up out of the hand or if he was sitting off speed.
And it's fouled away. Hacks and misses. It's a strikeout.
Well, take a look at the 3-pitch sequence here. Pretty simple in terms of putting them away at the plate. Once you're ahead, 0-2 is a...
And here is Nick Meyer. Severino up the middle. And it gets by him. Dominguez headed for the plate. He'll score. And now just a 2-run deficit.
Really nice job staying up the middle.
Runner at first with 2 away. Here's the second baseman, Catfish Brown.
Struck out on just 3 pitches last time.
Swing and a miss. That's strike 1.
You tie a guy up like that, you're feeling like you are in command.
That misses the zone, and 1-1.
Good speed on the base pass. He handles the bat very well. I wouldn't be surprised if the skipper puts on some type of hit and run or run and hit.
That one misses. 2 balls and a strike. Right side, hard hit. They get the force out with room to spare, and that's the inning. So they pick up a run on 2 hits, no errors, and a man left. 8th inning coming up. The Rail Riders on top 5-2. 1 out, base is empty. Next to hit, Luke Ritter. Hit on the ground to the right side. Brown. Now only 1 out remaining.
Good late bite on that slider. Got the hitter out in front, rolled over on it. Exactly what it was supposed to do. Well, this was a tightly played game. Got a little of everything. Some timely hitting, runs on the board, key pitching and defense in certain spots. Definitely a fun one to watch.
And your final score, 5-2. For Chris.